Hello friends, I am Anamika. Today we'll be discussing about the potential frauds happening in student visa application for Australia and its impacts. So today we have Mr. Maninder sir with us. He is a master in terms of study visa process. He has more than 20 years of experience. Hello sir, how are you?
Thanks, Anamika. I'm good, and thanks for having me here.
It's our pleasure, sir. Sir, I have few questions regarding it. So my first question is, sir, in recent time in some Australia university has banned Indian students. So what do you think on this?
Yes, it's sad, Anamika. Amidst a surge in the student visa fraud, several Australian universities have imposed a ban on Indian students, primarily from 6 states, and those states are Punjab, Haryana, Gujarat, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, and Jammu and Kashmir. Now, two Australian universities, Federation University in Victoria and Western Sydney University in New South Wales, stopped admitting Indian students from these states in May, issuing a note to education agents who facilitate admissions for these students. Moreover, Victoria University, Edith Cowan University, Torrance University, Southern Cross University were another few universities that either banned application from certain countries and Indian states or imposed additional requirements on the students. So altogether it is sad because people or students from these areas are using fraudulent measures to, they're giving fraudulent documents, cooking up experiences or even education documents, and the education in small time education agents are helping them. So altogether it is very sad.
Yes, sir, definitely it's a big loss and it's a sad thing. So what do you think how students can be safe or prevent from fake visa providers?
So Namika, to prevent falling victim to fake visa providers or visa scams, students can take several precautions to ensure their safety and the legitimacy of their visa application process. So I will recommend a few. So the first one what I'd say is research and verify. So thoroughly research the official visa application process of the destination country. Visit the official government websites or consulates. Then second thing is seek guidance from trusted sources. So either if you are in a university or you are a student, either the college can guide you or you can go to an authorized immigration agent like Apex Visas, where the migration agent or the consultant will guide you and check whether the immigration consultant is registered and authorized by the appropriate regulatory body in your country or in your city. Check their credentials, their reputation, their reviews. Try and avoid unrealistic promises, because when there are unrealistic promises, then the thing gets shady. You need to double check all information, carefully review all forms, check yourself that what is the information you have provided and what is the information which is being sent to the university. Always stay informed and updated by way of checking blogs, checking Google, the website of the universities, and if you find anything suspicious, just bring it to the notice of the agent or your parents. Remember, it is essential to be vigilant, conduct your own research and seek guidance from trusted sources to ensure a safe and legitimate visa application process.
Thank you, sir. So this is a very small message to those who are going to apply for student visa in future. So thank you, sir. So my next question is, what are the first few steps or procedure from which common students can identify that this is trustable consultancy or not?
So, of course, the longevity of the consultancy makes a lot of difference. If they are in the market for long, that means they are consistent and they are legitimate. But having said that, please check the accreditation and recognition of the particular consultancy or the company, and whether it is recognized by the university, the government bodies. Research their reputation. When you research the reputation, you look for reviews, you look for testimonials, you look for feedbacks, you can ask for references, you can check how good is the consultant in providing you knowledge. Then verify credentials and the expertise. When you are talking to the consultant, you will be able to understand how good the consultant is in terms of imparting the knowledge to you, the process, what exactly is the process flow he is explaining to you, and is it happen? It is going to be the same, or is it going to change in between? Then assess the transparency and communication of the entire process. Ask for references. There are a lot of references which you can ask for. Check the fee structure. If in case he is asking for exorbitant fees, then probably he is not the right consultant. Check the website of the consultant if you are not able to visit them, or the best is to go and check and visit in their office and see who is giving you the information. Do they have more clients sitting there? And obviously seek recommendations from them. So these following these steps, you can rather get information and assess the trustworthiness of a particular consultancy before you actually engage their services.
Thank you, sir. So as you're there in this organization in Apex Visas from a decade, so how Apex can help aspiring students who want to study abroad?
So of course we are in the market for the last 13-14 years now. We help students identify the right course and the right university or the college in the right country. We will give them all adequate help to, right from what documents are required, what kind of application forms do they need to fill, what are the relevant fees. We will assist them to fill the form correctly. We will ensure that all necessary documents are included. We will give them all advices which are required for them to attend the interview if there is an interview process which is required, because most of the colleges these days take interview. We give them proper counseling if they are going to appear in the visa consultancies. We do the entire document verification and give them a review. One of the most important factors here is the statement of purpose. We help them to prepare a very proper statement of purpose which enhances their visa chances by many folds. English language proficiency support, we tell them how to prepare or where to go and prepare and what would be the right way to prepare. And the last thing we give them, which is very important, since the child is going abroad for a long time and it is for him for the first time he is going, so a pre-departure orientation to the child as well as to the parents is given, where we try to make him understand or make him familiarize with the culture, the lifestyle, the academic environment of the destination city. We provide him options where he can stay, what kind of food he would get, and suppose he's an Indian, so what are the joints there where he can get Indian food, healthcare facility, some know-how about the city, town, and if we have students, then give him some references there so that he can network, and if there is some immediate need or help required, so that he can get the help. It's important to note that the specific services and the expertise provided by the visa consultancies may vary, but we are one-stop solution for all the services what a student can aspire. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your time and the clarifications that you did just now. So I think this will help all the students to select the right path. Thank you so much, sir.